According to Pascal's law, the pressure applied at any point of a liquid at rest in a closed system will be experienced equally at all parts of the liquid. Two tubes of different area of cross section filled with a liquid are connected. The area of cross section of small pipe is 0.000126 meter square and that of large one is 0.020096 meter square. Calculate the pressure experienced on the large piston if a force of 10 Newton is applied on the small piston. Okay, first write down the given data. The area of cross section of small pipe, that is A1. The small pipe is taken as the first one. So A1 is equal to 0.000126 meter square. Then area of the large pipe, that is the second pipe. So area is A2. Area of cross section of the second pipe is equal to 0.020096 meter square. Next one, the force applied on the small piston. The small piston is the first piston. So the force applied is F1. F1 is equal to 10 Newton. We want to find out force experienced on the second piston, that is F2. What is the equation? Suppose this is the first piston and it is connected using a liquid, and this is the second piston, large one. And the liquid is filled in the tube cylinders, and here the force applied is F1. Force on first piston is F1 and the area of cross section of the first piston is A1. And in the second one, the force experienced is F2 and the area of cross section is A2. According to Pascal's law, the pressure on first piston is equal to pressure on second piston. So we can write P1 is equal to P2. Pressure P is equal to force by area. So instead of P1, pressure on first one is equal to F1 by A1, force by area of cross section. Similarly, we can write instead of P2, that is the pressure on second piston is equal to F2 by A2. And cross multiplying, we will get F1 A2 is equal to, like that, F2 A1. From this, find out F2. F2 is equal to, here F2 into A2. F1 into A2 by A1. So our equation is F2 is equal to F1 into A2 by A1. So substitute the values. F2 is equal to F1 10 Newton, 10 into A2, area of cross section of second one. Substitute the values, we will get F2 is equal to 10 into 0.020096 divided by 0.0001256. Okay, and F2 is equal to 10 into divided by 0.0001256 into 10 lakhs. then F2 is equal to into. Now we can, if you are multiplying denominator and numerator with 10,000, we can change the decimal points. So we can write is equal to and 6 divided by, so F2 is equal to 10 into 16, which is equal to 160 Newton. This is the answer. Force experienced on the second piston F2 is equal to 160 Newton.